let's make some melodic bass house. What's up everybody, my name is CGTunes, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make melodic bass house with my song Eternal. I have released this song more times than I can count, and it is my favorite song that I have ever created. I've made some pretty cool songs in my career, but this will always be my all-time favorite. Anyway, that's enough for the intro, let's get into the project. Okay, so this is the project for Eternal. This is my melodic bass house song. And over here, let's just get started with the intro. So right here, I have these filtered chords. They sound like this. Literally, it's just a chord stack that sounds like this. And then I just put Ableton's auto filter effect on it. Make it a little softer, more smooth. Next up, we have this lead that is also filtered. Again, all that's on it is Ableton's auto filter, so without it, it sounds like this. Just put the filter on it, make it softer. And then we have these basses right here that are just dragged out and they just play one of the root notes of the chords. And it's just a grunge bass and then a sub bass. So the sub bass is just flat and then the grunge bass sounds like this. With the sub bass. Next up, I have these plucks that are just very clicky and they play the same melody for the intro. And then I just threw in some filtered house drums. Just a house beat with no kick. Finally, I just have a sweep that goes into the breakdown. Altogether, the intro sounds like this. And at the end, the filters just widen and open up to bring a little bit more energy to the track. Next up, we have the breakdown. So I introduced these chords. Here's the first stack. And sorry for the lag, the project is a little bit big, so just bear with me here. Hopefully it doesn't lag too much. I have the second chord stack. And then this third chord stack right here. Then I introduce the main melody with a little bit more aggressive leads. So we have this chug lead right here. And then the lead from the beginning just without the filter on it. And then we open up the filter on the basses and they also play to the beat of the melody. I have this downlifter here, and then we get into this counter lead that sounds like this. It's just a mixture of a synth lead and a piano lead. Finally, after the first 4 bars of the breakdown, I just throw in some claps and some chants just to get the energy going. It's not a build-up, it just simply is something to kind of get people to move to. Altogether, we get this massive breakdown. Next up, we have the build-up. It simply is copying and pasting the traditional chords from the intro with the filter. Sounds like this. We have the lead from the intro with the filter. All the filters are opening up as well. Same with the basses down here. And then a downlifter right here at the start of build-up, and then some build-up drums. Then at the end here, I have just a little automation on the lead to make it cut off at the end, just give a little more punch to the drop. Like that. Anyway, with everything together, the whole build-up sounds like this. The drop was so fun to make, probably my favorite part of this whole song. So I bring the chords back from the breakdown, literal just copies of the chords. And then same with the leads, they're just copies of the leads from the breakdown. Basses are also copies from the breakdown. We have some downlifters and risers here. And then we do bring in the counter melody for the second half of the drop. So basically it's just the breakdown, but what really makes it here is we have these house drums for the drop. And then we have a side chain on a compressor here. So it compresses everything. So for example, here's the drop stack without compression. And then here's the drop stack with compression. You can just hear the difference it makes in the whole song. Like, it just makes it so much more punchy and powerful, and you really just want to move to it. It's simply sidechain to the kick of the drum, and it's a very sharp automation, as you can see on the compressor here. The sharper the better. You really want it to be punchy for bass house. Anyway, yeah, that's the full song. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in hearing some more of my music, go check out my official artist channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I love feedback. And yeah, have an amazing rest of your day. CGTunes out.